Okay, look, I'll just make up a question now, in regards to annuities, to make sure that you can do that, an annuities question. Now, the formula that's given in your annuities is something like this: A is equal to M, 1 plus R to the power of N, take away 1 over, oops, that's a bad one, over R, right? Where M is obviously your monthly repayments, R is equal to your interest rate, and N is your number of periods. Okay, do you remember what the difference between annuity is compared to compound and simple interest? The biggest difference is the fact that with annuities, okay, with annuities, that should be IES, with annuities, it's a regular payment. Whereas in compound interest and simple interest, it's a one-off payment. You're going to go to a term deposit on your bank and you're going to give them $10,000 and they're just going to give you interest, for example, right? Whereas this one, you're going to regularly pay money, right? You're going to put in, you're going to invest regularly. So, for example, in superannuation, you're going to put in $5,000 each year, right, for the rest of your life, or something like that, or up to a certain age limit. So that's something that you gotta understand, the difference between an annuity compared to compound interest is, so the main difference. Now I can give you monthly repayments, right? I can give you a monthly repayment. I can give you the interest rate. I can give you the rate, and I can give you the number of periods. But what are some harder questions that I saw is when I gave you the A, and you're trying to work out M, for instance. A lot of people can't do those. So imagine I told you, okay, all right, here we go. So Sam knows that at the end of 45 years, he would like, let's make it $1.5 million in my account. Okay? I would like $1.5 million in my superannuation account. I know that the interest rate I can be offered today for the next 45 years is, let's just say, it's not very good. It's only 6%. Right? So it's pretty standard, I guess. So Sam knows that at the end of 45 years, he would like $1.5 million. The interest rate is 6%. He wants to know, how much to invest each month to get this. Cool. I want to know that exactly how much am I to put in every single month, such that at the end of my 45 years of my life, I go, hey, look, I've got $1.5 million. As long as I follow these rules. Cool. And it's true. It actually is true. So we can go like this. We can go, okay, I want $1.5 million. So now you know that the A on the top, according to the formula, A is $1.5 million, right? So let's use a different color. Okay, A is $1.5 million, so $1.5 million must equal to M, which is what I want to work out. I want to work out how much am I meant to put in every single month, such that at the end of my 45 years, I've got $1.5 million. Cool? Yeah. Okay. 1 plus, what's my interest rate? 6%. So 0.06 to the power of N. Now, N is 45 years, right? But it's a monthly repayment. So I'm going to do 45 times 12. 45 times 12. That's how many periods I'm going to be paying. I'm going to be putting money in 540 times, essentially. Make sense? Yeah. So that's to power of 540, take away 1 over 0.06. That's just all in regards to the formula. Look, 1 plus R, 1 plus R, 1 plus R to the power of N, take away 1 over R. Cool? It's exactly whatever the formula is. I'm not doing anything interesting. right? Then I'm going to go and work out this part here now in my calculator. So give me a second now. 1.06 to the power of 540, take away 1, divided by 0.06. Okay, I get something like this. 1, the number shouldn't worry you because it's something that your calculator will do. Okay, times by, I'll just write answer here, where the answer is roughly 7.7 times 10 to the power of 14 or so. Okay, something like that. Whatever the calculator tells us. Don't worry about that. That's why you want to write the number, because I know it will confuse you. Okay, so times by the answer. And then I want to make M the subject. So how do I get rid of this answer? That's it. So M is going to be 1.5 million divided by whatever I have in my calculator. So 1.5 million divided by answer. You actually just press answer. Cool, because I've already had that from before. Oh, something's gone wrong. No. Something's gone wrong. Okay, I did a mistake, and the mistake was I did 6%, but I forgot to divide it by 100. No, I did divide by 100. I made it 0.06. I forgot to divide by 12 to make it into per month. It's per annum right now, right? So that should be 6% divided by 12, which is 0.005 kind of thing. Okay? So my bad. So that's wrong there. So that should be 0.00. So then that answer in fact was 2755. I should have realized that when I saw the power of 14, but I kind of overrided it. Doesn't matter. So how much should I invest? As long as I put $544 a month for 45 years, I will get $1.5 million though.
That's a lot.
That's a lot for nothing. I'm only putting roughly what, more than $100 a week. Everyone can save $100 a week.
Yeah.
When I get clients, let me